The meme economy is pumping, and you need to know about it because it is changing the face of finance. If you're somewhat familiar with crypto, then you probably have heard of meme coins. But in the last few months, the last few weeks, things have gotten completely insane. So Bitcoin has soared past its all-time high and nearly pushed to $100,000 per Bitcoin. And during this process, meme coins have taken on a life of their own. So none of this is financial advice, just something that I find completely fascinating. Many people dismiss meme coins as degeneracy and gambling, and they're probably right, but others find memes to have real cultural impact, and the meme lords deserve their bag. They deserve to be making some money. Meme coins are making this all possible through crypto. All of this data that I'm about to show you just shows how powerful this is, how much money is really moving into this system. So I have some data here. Solana has become the home to this crypto casino. The Solana wallet count has jumped from 1 million to 6.2 million just since August. So we're in November now, we're filming this in November. Since August, it has pumped that much. And Phantom, the most popular of these Solana wallets, has risen to number 9 in the iOS App Store. And it's actually number 2 in the utilities section. So this is no joke. And the craziest thing about this, just one single meme coin app accounts for 47% of Solana's transactions and 29% of its value. This app is called pump.fun. According to pump.fun, it helps make meme coin launches more fair and transparent, which is something that meme coins, I guess, were missing in the past. In just minutes, you can log on and launch your own meme coin. Every day, just today, 58,000 meme coins were launched on pump.fun. The platform has done over $231 million in revenue since its launch in March of this year, 2024. So is this just a dystopian memescape of fake internet money? Either way, be careful. Don't go and bet the farm on these meme coins. Just enjoy the show. Go check out the Teller podcast for us to go deep on this topic because we explore pump.fun and everything happening here. We'll share a link. Let's see what happens with the booming meme economy.